Hey, it's me.
Hi guys, this is Kate Dimson. For today's vlog ay nandito ako sa El Nido, Palawan. So for today ay mag room tour tayo. So ito, mayroon silang complimentary coffee, tea, whatever, just like that. And the bedroom, hindi ganong kalakihan, but that is deluxe. So this is the room. Yan. It's quite nice, this one. So ito yung toilet nila. Maganda kasi dalawa yung basin. So yan siya guys. Tapos ito yung shower area. Yung shower, nakaseparate siya into the bathroom. So, ito yung bathroom nila. Uy! Ano siya? Ano nga yung tawag dyan? Smart. Smart. Sana ako smart. O, diba? Pipindot-pindot ka lang. So, yan siya guys. Ito yung room nila dito sa El Nido Villa Garden. Name of the hotel. And then, we'll look outside. Titingin tayo sa labas guys. So ito yung swimming pool nila. So yan yung swimming pool. And that is the view. So yung view niya, magsasunset na. Kasi late na kami dito. Kasi one flight lang everyday from Caticlan to here in El Nido. So ito yung beach nila guys. It's low tide. Low tide ba? Yan, pero maganda naman. Ayan, di ba may 8-track sa beach. So yan siya. Magbibideo ulit tayo mamaya doon sa labas. Bye for now. So ganyan pala yung beach nila dito. Pag low tide. Ayan. Low tide siya. Pero may sunset. Maganda sana kasi lang low tide siya, bato-bato. Parang ano siya, Thailand. So yun siya guys, ito lang yung beach nila. Hindi ka guys sa Boracay na walang bato. Ha? Yan lang ay siya. Thank you. Try. Diba? So ito guys, ang buhangin ng El Nido. It's a good sunset but it's already high. Done. Finito. Ang daming bangka oh. Yan. So yan siya.
I thought El Nido also had a white beach.
No, it's not.
Oh.
It's not, man.
I can see that.
Huh?
I can see that.
Doggy. Nagsasunbathing ang doggy. First day here in El Nido, Palawan. Boracay is still nice. But it's not bad. It's, no? Kagaya ng Thailand. Parang Thailand lang siya. So ito lang siya guys. Ganito lang. Ang El Nido. Pero mag-island hopping kami. So makakapunta kami ng mga different island. Which is, I think the different island that is the have a white sand.
Yeah, there's one called White Beach.
White Beach.
Island hopping.
Okay. Where is the big, what's that? The first one? Wait, hold on. Just open first. So, yan siya. Masyadong magkayak-kayak. Ito lang yung this is the only one activity here. Kayak-kayak. You can do kayaking. Boracay is still nice is because there's no any corals or stone on the seaside now. Unlike here, a low tide. Friends. That's not too bad. It's not too bad here. No swimming. Bakit no swimming? Said no swimming. Is it not allowed to swim in here? Huh? So, marami rin mga mga hotel. There's no tricycle already. Cute ng tricycle nila dito. Pink! Ay. Ang daming flag.
Pirates up there.
Yeah.
Chop suey? Yeah, might want to chop suey.
That's too much, Mick. Are you sure gonna eat all? Huh? Sure? That's why I take only one crab. It's because it's too much.
Tuloy lang po sa taas, ma'am. Chili.
Oo. Hindi man yan kakain ng crab, ako man lang. Pero not totally spicy, no?
Ito, mild lang.
Mild lang.
Chili, garlic butter, and then grilled.
Oo.
What are you making there, squid?
Ano yan? Merong sa loob? Yung tomato?
Plain lang, ma'am.
Plain lang. Walang sibuyas at saka tomato sa loob.
580.
Nagdagdag ka pa eh.
Ganun talaga, ma'am.
May taas, di ba? Pwede kami sa taas. You want to go up next? Upstairs?
Yung may palaman, ma'am, or plain lang?
Plain lang. Kasi dadagdagan mo pa yung bayad eh.
Actually, kada lang card, ma'am.
And one chop suey, yeah?
Oh, sir.
It's moving. And also the crab is moving, still alive. The one that I get. Big prawn. Mahal. Okay. Ayan, nagmumove ko siya. ano.